In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery COD on Shopify. Cash on delivery, or COD, lets customers pay when their order arrives, which can boost trust and conversions in markets where card usage is low or shoppers prefer paying in person. I'll guide you through enabling it in your Shopify admin and writing clear messaging so customers know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your Shopify dashboard and signing into your store's admin. In the bottom left corner, click Settings to open your store-wide preferences. From there, select Payments. This page controls your payment providers and any alternative or manual payment methods your checkout can show. Scroll to the Manual Payment Methods section and open it. Manual methods are options where Shopify doesn't charge the card or collect funds automatically. You handle payment outside of Shopify. From the list, choose Cash on Delivery, COD. If you don't see it, availability can vary by region and theme, but for most stores it appears in the manual methods list. You'll now set the customer-facing text. In the additional details field, add a short, clear description that appears at checkout. Think of it like a headline. Explain that payment is collected on delivery and mention anything important, like delivery areas you serve, whether there's a COD fee, or if exact change is preferred. Keep it concise so shoppers immediately understand the option. Next, use the payment instructions field for the step-by-step expectations after the order is placed. This text displays on the order confirmation page and can be included in confirmation emails. Be specific about how and when payment is collected, which payment forms you accept on delivery, whether ID might be required, what happens if the customer isn't available, and how rescheduling works. Clear instructions reduce failed deliveries and support tickets. When your messaging looks good, click Activate Cash on Delivery, COD. Once activated, COD will appear in checkout alongside your other payment options for eligible orders. Because COD is a manual method, new COD orders will come in as unpaid. You or your delivery partner collect the money in person, and then you can mark the order as paid in the admin after collection. A few quick tips to wrap up. Place a small test order using COD to confirm the checkout text and emails display correctly. Align COD with your shipping and fulfillment process, and only offer it in areas where your delivery workflow can reliably collect payment. Train your delivery team on verification and handling exact amounts. If you ever need to pause COD, return to the payments page and deactivate it. Existing orders won't be affected. And that's it. You've added cash on delivery to your Shopify store.